So here's where I'm at right now. Currently working on this bilge, which is completely rotted all over. I've chipped most of the bad stuff out, but as you can see, it's not good. There used to be fiberglass over all this, and I peeled it all back. Yeah. So, this was all varnished the other day. I haven't quite started on the V-berth yet. Varnished. Damn, this thing won't focus very good. Varnished all that. It's coming along. There's my caulking. It's rotted wood that I've pulled out.